तो हाय फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सब। तो आज हम जिस प्रोडक्ट की अनबॉक्सिंग करने जा रहे हैं इसका नाम है इजी फोन। तो ये फोन बेसिकली बच्चों के लिए बनाया गया है। जो पेरेंट्स बच्चों की काफी चिंता करते हैं कि बच्चे कहां पर हैं कहां पर नहीं, तो उन पेरेंट्स के लिए ये वाला फोन डिजाइन किया गया है। तो आइए फ्रेंड्स, इसकी अनबॉक्सिंग करते हैं बिना किसी देरी के। तो जैसा कि ये वाला जो फोन है ये हमने फ्लिपकार्ट से ऑर्डर करा है। तो ये अभी अभी डिलीवर हुआ है। ये स्मजेस आ गए हैं इस पे। रीजन बीइंग कोविड का टाइम चल रहा है, हर बॉक्स सैनिटाइज करके लेना पड़ता है हमें। तो ये है इसका इनवॉइस। इसके लिए हमने पे करे हैं 3999 रुपीज। एंड ये रहा फ्रेंड्स इजी फोन। सो ये रहा, इट्स एक्चुअली फॉर स्कूल गोइंग किड्स। सो इसके अंदर रिस्ट्रिक्टेड इनकमिंग, रिस्ट्रिक्टेड आउटगोइंग, एसओएस बटन, जीपीएस ट्रैकर, टेम्पर प्रूफ, सेफ चार्जिंग, इंडिया फर्स्ट किड्स सेफ्टी फोन। और इसके अलावा इसके डब्बे पे आपको मिल जाता है द कलर इन विच वी हैव ऑर्डर्ड। तो इसका एमआरपी है 4990। ऑफ कोर्स वी हैव गॉट इट एट अ डिस्काउंट एट 3999। इसके अलावा तो इसके डब्बे पे और कुछ नहीं लिखा हुआ है। These are the colors in which it is available: white, blue, green, pink, red. 5 awesome colors. So let's just quickly unbox it. ओके, सो जैसे ही हमने बॉक्स खोला है हमें यहाँ पे देखने के लिए मिल जाता है पर्सनलाइज योर इजी फोन स्टार कीपैड विद पिक्चर्स. So these are the pictures, of course, whom you want to call. So these I think are the stickers. इसके साथ में ये रहा आपका इजी फोन. ये कुछ इस तरीके का दिखता है. Of course इसमें ज्यादा कीज नहीं है. 1 2 3 4 only 4 keys. Plus that this is to receive a call, this is to end a call. And इसके अलावा I think this is the SOS or emergency button. So let's just quickly open it up. सो इसके अंदर आपको मिल जाता है सिम, मेमोरी कार्ड, ओनली दीज 2 ऑप्शंस. दिस इज द चार्जिंग पोर्ट. इसके अंदर फ्रेंड्स 3.5 mm का ऑडियो जैक नहीं है. इस फोन के फीचर्स को हम बाद में देखेंगे. फिलहाल के लिए हम अभी देखते हैं बॉक्स के अंदर और क्या क्या है. सो थैंक यू फॉर परचेजिंग योर इजी फोन. वी हैव गॉट द कस्टमर केयर, वी हैव गॉट द मेल ID. इसके बाद में इफ वी ओपन द बॉक्स व्हाट वी गेट, दिस इज द USB चार्जर. With that we also get this is the charging cable. This is the sort of safe charging, I guess. Yeah, I don't know what it is. Yeah, so this is the safe charging stand on which you can just keep the easy phone and it would get charged. With this additionally we have got this user's manual, right? So let's just keep it aside. And we have got the battery for the phone. This is the battery. And this is the user's manual also. Like there are 2 user's manual. So this is now the box is empty as you can see. So we'll just keep the box aside. So this is the sticker. This is the safe charging sort of thing. You just keep it. This is the battery and it is a 3.7 volt battery we get with this. This is the charging and this is of course the charging cable. So this is all you get. There is nothing else in the box other than user's manual. So let's just quickly power it up. So we have put in the battery into the phone and we'll just quickly power it up. Okay, so it starts with the star logo. Language Hindi or English? English. Okay, so it is done now. So insert SIM. It is of course it would remind you of the old phones, old Nokia phones where you get such a screen. So menu. You've got the option of phone book, messaging, call history, settings, SOS, privacy, my day, alarm, hide, care touch, phone book. That's it. It's just a basic phone, so let me just quickly check what SOS feature does. It's just producing a beep sound right now, and this is how the phone will lock and unlock. So once you want to lock the phone, it's keypad locked, and you manually need to switch it down to unlock the keypad. So this is lock and unlock, volume up and down. This is a SOS feature. Probably it would make calls to someone in emergency situations, probably your SOS contact. And this is for the light, right? It has light on the top. So you need to fix the dialing. It's like quick dial or fast dial. So once you press M1, it would quickly call to someone. M2, it would quickly call to someone. That's why it has given the stickers that whom you want to call to, you can place their photograph here. So it's quite just a basic phone, and there is nothing much into it. You can just put in a memory card with this. I don't know what memory card would be of use of in this type of phone, but you can actually install a SIM and a memory card. So this is a SIM slot, this is a memory card slot. So the two main features for this particular phone is that once you give this phone to your kids and you call them, right? If you are calling your kid and this phone is with your kid, this phone would automatically answer the registered number calls, right? It would not allow unknown number calls to come into this phone. Only the registered numbers can call upon this number, right? So whenever you receive a call from a registered number, it has auto pickup function. So the call would get picked up automatically, and you would get to know that what's the situation around your kid, right? And other than that, another important feature for this particular phone is that it has live GPS tracking. So you does not need to put any Google Maps or something like that. With a particular app, you can track the location of this phone, and of course your kids also at the very same time. So now enough have been said about this phone. So let me just quickly talk about the build quality of this phone. The build quality of this phone looks very cheap, very down market. It does not really look good, right? So the build quality is not very nice for a price range of 4,000, where you get a Nokia phone at a very you get a Nokia phone at this particular price with a very good build quality and with lot more features. So at a price point of 4,000, this phone build quality is very bad, although it would have the features which would be necessary for the kids, right? So other than that, there is nothing much to say about this phone. And if you have any queries related to this particular item, you can mention that in the comment section. I would be glad to answer your queries. And please do not forget to like our channel, and please share and subscribe. Thank you.